Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your fitness tracker with Fitbit, full guide step by step clearly. First, ensure your fitness tracker is charged and powered on. Download the Fitbit app from your device's app store. Open the Fitbit app once it is installed. If you don't have an account, select Join Fitbit to create one. If you already have an account, tap Login and enter your credentials. After logging in, tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. Next, select Set up a device from the menu. Choose your fitness tracker model from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the pairing process. The app will prompt you to enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Navigate to your phone settings and turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already activated. Return to the Fitbit app to continue the setup. Select Pair when prompted to connect your fitness tracker. You may need to enter a code displayed on your fitness tracker into the app to confirm the pairing. Once connected, the app will sync with your fitness tracker. Review the permissions requested by the app and grant access as needed. After successful setup, customize your fitness goals within the app. Familiarize yourself with the app's features to fully utilize your fitness tracker's capabilities. Your fitness tracker is now connected and ready to assist you on your fitness journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.